Hi, Keith again from SRSA, just to give you some more handy tyre hints. Only too often motorists purchase new tyres, and after a couple of days they find out that they have a penetration in the tyre. Only too often we see motorists pulling into filling stations where the filling station staff are carrying out tyre repairs. Folks, this is an extremely dangerous practice. First of all, you don't know how far that tyre has been ridden in an underinflated situation. Second of all, you are allowing unauthorized or unqualified people to work on that tyre. Just to show you an example, as you can see, this tyre has picked up a penetration in the shoulder area. More often than not, the guys at the filling stations or unqualified personnel will repair a tyre in the shoulder area. Tyre manufacturers do not recommend that you repair a tyre in the shoulder area of a tyre for the simple reason that it is right underneath the breaker package of the tyre. For this video purposes, you can actually see a string repair has been done in this tyre. First of all, if you have a look at the string repair and you look at the penetration in this tyre, it is basically in the same quadrant of the tyre. Too many repairs in a tyre will result in tyre failure. Get to your nearest Dunlop Zone, Dunlop Express, or alternatively your Dunlop Commercial Centre. Rather use or let them fit a mushroom patch for you. This patch is actually taken and it is placed inside the tyre and then is pulled through the tread area. This is a 100% recommended tyre repair. Do not rely on string repairs as they are dangerous. Once again, for more handy tips, get to your nearest Dunlop Zone, Dunlop Express, or alternatively your Dunlop Commercial Centre, or follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Remember, it's in your hands.